Hey my friend, Anders Larsson here. Thanks for spending a couple of minutes of your time to watch this new video that I have. So I have a new video to share with you, and I plan to do things a little bit different from now on. First, I want to explain to you that I have tried to make money online for many years, and I never really came close to success. The reason for this was because I was looking in the wrong place. Every time I hopped to something new, it became heavier and heavier. Lots of energy in the beginning, but at the end, the fuel just wasn't there anymore. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like, there is always some information missing, and when you go out and look for a solution to the problem, it just takes you to places that lack the information that you seek, and you get just another piece in the puzzle that doesn't really fit anywhere. If you know what I'm talking about, then you also know how much that drains your energy. So now you have a big puzzle with a lot of pieces that doesn't fit. What if I told you that the program or the system that I'm using will give you pieces that fit together from the start? Really? How is that even possible? I will explain. Listen closely. All the training that Legendary gives access to is created by successful people. Not only that, the content that you will receive after you invested in the Marketers Club membership package is designed for people new in online marketing, as well as experienced people that want to fresh up on the key component that actually makes the success in an online business. Now, I was watching a training with Matt Halsell, a very successful online marketer here on Legendary. Every week they have a live webinar where people can send in whatever they have problem with. It could be an ad copy or a Facebook ad campaign. Now, the stuff that Matt taught in the videos just blow me away. They have recently updated most of the content in Legendary, and that is why I didn't discover this up until recently. Basically, in this training module, you have recordings of live webinar, real-time hand-holding stuff. You just don't get this anywhere else. So I just want to say that if you become a member, then watch the Marketers Club live training replays as soon as possible. So you get all this in a $30 sign up in Legendary. And you might be thinking that, alright, $30, do I want to risk that? What if I don't like it? Well, if you don't like it, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. It would be crazy not to at least check it out. There is one risk, however, that you need to be aware of. The content might actually be so mind-blowing that you tell yourself, you know what? I want to stay. I'm gonna do this. I know what to do now. And if I have any issues or any problems, I know that Anders Larsson will have my back. So what I'm going to do now is to create videos from what I learned in the Marketers Club live training. And I'm going to create a couple of videos about the online biz graveyard, which I really took to heart because I recognize the problem with all the places on my journey where I just wanted to quit. And this will work as a vaccination so that in case you have any problem, you will remember, we talked about this. And this will help you push through because it's not an easy task to be as resilient as this online marketing business requires. Alright, so now go ahead and click the link in the description if you want to watch the training that I just talked about, because I promise you, you will not regret it. The link will take you to my opt-in page, and there you will be able to sign up for my free online marketing video training where I show you exactly how I run my online business. If you want the exact strategies that I'm using and really speed up things as fast as possible, then go ahead and watch my free online marketing video training. You will also have the opportunity to become a member in Legendary Marketer. And if you have any problems or any questions, then go ahead and connect with me and I will help you out. Alright, so this was the end of this video. I really appreciate that you spend a little bit of your time watching this video. And if you learned something of value in this video, then click the like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you for watching, Have an awesome day or night wherever you are. Take care, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.